Hi there, I'm Rob Lamone with the EdTech team here at St. Mary's. I want to share with you and demonstrate how to use the new Zoom Kit. Now, why use a Zoom Kit? Zoom Kit is great for Zoom video conferences that are medium to large, ideal for a classroom situation or a conference in one of our conference rooms. Here's what you get in your Zoom Kit. You get a web camera with a USB connector. This is going to connect directly to your laptop. You also have a USB extension cable, so you could set this up across the room and get a wider angle. You also have a very nice Yeti USB microphone, and here's the USB cable that goes with it. This picks up great audio. We have our tripod. To set up the tripod, you extend the legs, and you want to get the tripod to the correct height before you lock it down. Typically, you're going to want it at eye level to your guests. Next, you want to remove the shoe. This shoe fits in like so, and it has a screw on the bottom. You take your web camera and you want to match how that is going to mount. Take off the shoe, place it into the screw hole of the web camera and tighten it down, and then make sure you push that back down, set it back into the holder on the tripod, and you are ready to go. You could also make other adjustments. If you loosen and tighten this is the tilt lever on your tripod, and then this is a pan, and then on these tripods you can fine tune it and raise it up and down as needed once you get it all set. Once you've located your web camera in the proper place, you're going to want to use your USB extension cable so that you can put the camera on one end of the table and locate your laptop on the other end, and you will plug in your USB cable. Next up is the Yeti. The Yeti is a USB microphone. Right here is our connection in. It's a mini USB, and inside the kit is our mini USB cable. You plug it in right there, and then you can tighten up the sides. You set this down, and then you want to plug in your USB cable into your laptop. Also, we want to connect our display to our laptop. Now we have our equipment connected to our laptop, and we are ready to proceed with logging into Zoom and testing our speaker and microphone. We're going to start Zoom by logging into My St. Mary's. On the home page, you will see a Zoom app icon. If you click on this, this will guarantee that you access your Zoom Pro account via My St. Mary's. Here's my Zoom test meeting, and I'm going to start the meeting. Let's do our audio, and let's test out our speaker and microphone. Now in this test, it's asking me if I hear a ringtone, and I do not. So here is the different systems that we have. We have our built-in internal speakers, so I hear it on the internal, but I want it on our display. So I'm going to put our LG HDMI LG TV. So I want it on our HDMI display, and there it is. So that's great. I hear it, and everybody else who's going to be participating in this conference is going to hear it. Now we're going to speak and test this out, and I don't hear anything. We should have our Yeti microphone working, and oh, I see what the problem is. The problem is the mute button is blinking. If I If I press it and it turns solid red, that means that our Yeti microphone is working. If I press it and it turns solid red, that means that our Yeti microphone is working. And here is our Yeti microphone working fine since I've unmuted it, and you can see the... And here is our Yeti microphone working fine. So there it is. I spoke, I paused, I heard it through the display, and yes. Now make sure to join with computer audio. Now we have our Zoom video conference ready using our Zoom kit, and we could have a large group of people in the room. Please submit a help ticket or email the service desk at St. Mary's for consultation and support. Below you will also find a link to a knowledge base article which has more information on how to use and reserve the Zoom kit.